Hi, today we will talk about variables in Python. Variables are containers for storing data values. In Python, no command for declaring a variable. Once the variable you created, you can assign a value for it. This is an example of variables in Python. This one is integer, this one is float, and this one is converted from float to integer using the casting function. And this one is a string and use single quotes, and the other one use double quotes. And this one boolean variable. If you want to know the type of the function, the type of the variable, you can use the type function. This is the one, type new mark. It will show that the type of the variable new mark is integer, and so on for the other variables. To declare a variable, you have to give it a name. The name should be descriptive, represent a name or a value for the programmer. There are some rules for Python variables. A variable must start with a letter or underscore. A variable cannot start with a number, and you can create a variable with combination of alpha or numeric characters, and you can use also underscore. Be careful, in Python the variables names are case sensitive. This means that we have here three different variables, and here an example for this. These are three different variables. We assign this variable with the first one, and the result become 25. That's it for the variables. I think it's a very basic topic. Thank you.